everyone out there. Welcome to Solve It Out. This is Annie here, and today I want to create a video on the current problem that I was working through. So, currently, I was building the REST APIs using Node.js and have to send a mail from my account to the user authentication. Now, here, while I'm using the node mailer in Node.js, previously what we used to do is that the username will be our email and the password was our email's password. But now the rules have been changed and we cannot use our email password here. So, how to use the node mailer and send the email correctly is the content of today's video. First, choose your Gmail account from where you want to send the mail to your users and then select the security option. Here you have to turn on the two-step verification process for which you need to add up your phone number. I have already my phone number added up. If you don't, then you have to add the phone number and verify it. Select done and your two-step verification is turned on. Next, go back and in the search bar, search the app password. Once you get the app password, a window will open up with the app name required. Write your project's name that you want to add up. Like here, I want to add Solve It Out auth and select create. Once you click create, you will receive your app password for your particular device. Select that app password and click on done. You can also recheck it when you go back, and here is the app password that is created. The copied app password, you have to paste it up as your email password in your .env file along with your email. Now your node mailer will work completely fine. Here is how you will get the successful emails using the node mailer. Therefore, this is Annie signing off. Let's meet in another new project by solving a new problem.